Hey y'all, this is Ryan Pledger here. Man, what a rodeo this year. Been hunting non-stop, trying to balance work, obviously, the balance that everybody does, work, family, and hunting. Shot this old warrior. This thing is an old buck. It's got some mass, some absolute mass down here by his beams. I mean, he's literally got a few teeth right here in the front, no teeth the rest of his mouth. Cuts all over his ears, shredded, old warrior buck. Try to do this thing justice. Never want to take it for granted when God gives us an animal like this, or any animal. It's a blessing. Got off of work yesterday, had literally like 45 minutes to get in the woods. Threw on my leafy jacket from ASIO and my boots, and decided to go in, take the rattling antlers, the grunt, call, snort, wheeze, and just kind of make some noise. Went outside some bedding area, kind of slipped in, bumped a small buck on the way in. Wasn't 20 minutes after I left my truck, I grunted and scraped the ground, and I heard a buck scraping back. He was thrashing, scraping. Threw my binos up, saw him, and he was scraping the ground. All I looked up and saw was mass. He's got some mass on him. Put my binos down and said, if this buck comes in, he's getting shot. Like, this is happening. Got up to it. I used my next move to get up where I could get a clear shot, because where I was at, I had so much little stuff in front of me, there was no way I was going to be able to get a shot off. I stomped the ground, scraped, and I used that opportunity to move up. And so I moved up, grunted and snort wheezed at him again, and he scraped the ground and I could hear him coming. He came up about 35 yards away up the ridge, and then turned on an angle and came back to me. And about at like 30 yards, I drew back and held. I just kept steady. He took about 5 more steps, gave me a perfect quartering 2 shot on the opposite side of this here. He literally ran 20 yards, stopped, teetered, and fell over, and could not be more happy with this buck. What an adrenaline rush. Some guys from work came out and helped me get him out of the woods, and they were still at the shop when it happened. I literally just left them, and 20-30 minutes later I'm calling them saying, gotta come out and get a buck out. It's definitely a privilege. I would like to say I appreciate my wife. She is behind me on my passion for this, and she gives me so much freedom to hunt and do what I love, and she loves every minute of it. When I called her and told her, she was absolutely excited. She didn't tell the kids, went home, had them in the back of the truck. The kids came out and saw them. Now I get to, here in a couple weeks, take my boys out, and we're gonna go shoot some does. Some I've never shot in deer while they were with me, and so that is a goal the rest of this year. Man, what an exciting hunt. Split time buck. I can't believe this season's over for a buck here in Ohio, but looking forward to next season. Man, what an exciting thing. Appreciate ASIO. Leafy Jacket was perfect. Shooting the prime bow and mega meats. But man, this time of the year, just get in the woods. There ain't no telling what can happen. And God really blessed. And I thank Him for the opportunity to be able to hunt and do what I love. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Hopefully a lot more coming, and preparation for next year starts now when it comes to mature buck. So we're gonna get after it.